Adria Coral XL. The Adria Coral XL is a motorhome made for families and groups who love traveling with space, comfort, and style. It's built strong, looks modern, and is perfect for both short road trips and long adventures. Inside, it feels just like a home on wheels, with plenty of room to relax and all the essentials you need. There's a fully equipped kitchen to cook your favorite meals, a cozy living room for family time, and several sleeping options, including a spacious overcab bed. The motorhome also includes a practical bathroom, lots of storage for your belongings, and advanced heating and cooling systems, making it a great choice for travel in any season. Its dependable engine and reliable performance mean you can take on long journeys without worry. Whether you're camping in the summer or exploring in the winter, the Coral XL is designed to keep you comfortable. Prices vary depending on the model and year, with used ones starting around £52,900 and new 2023 models going over £76,500. The Adria Coral XL is more than just a motorhome. It's a comfortable, dependable, and roomy travel companion that makes every trip memorable. The ULF 130 kilometer truck is a true masterpiece of mobile living, offering the space and luxury of a modern home combined with the freedom to travel anywhere. With an impressive 130 square meters of living area, this mobile residence feels more like a stylish apartment than a vehicle. Inside, you'll find a beautifully designed living room with comfortable seating, a large dining space for family meals, and a fully equipped kitchen fitted with high-quality appliances that make cooking on the road a pleasure. The bedrooms are cozy and private, designed to give you the same restful sleep you'd expect at home, while the bathroom adds a touch of elegance with a spacious walk-in shower and refined details. One of its most exciting features is the expandable sections that extend when parked, creating even more room to move around and relax. Large panoramic windows let in plenty of natural light and provide stunning views of nature or the city skyline, depending on where you stop. 66. The Caracat 66 is a one-of-a-kind hybrid that blends the comfort of a luxury caravan with the adventure of a catamaran, giving travelers the freedom to explore both land and water in style. Designed for those who love flexibility, it works as a fully functional motorhome on the road and transforms into a stable boat once it hits the water. Inside, it feels like a modern vacation home, complete with a cozy lounge, a practical kitchen, comfortable sleeping areas, and a well-equipped bathroom. Its smart design makes the most of the available space, while large windows fill the interior with natural light and offer beautiful views wherever you are. On the water, the Caracat 66 glides smoothly, perfect for relaxing cruises, fishing trips, or simply enjoying life by the sea. Built with durable, high-quality materials and powered with eco-friendly technology, it's designed for long adventures and off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Whether you want to drive across scenic landscapes or drift peacefully on a lake, this hybrid RV boat makes it possible. The Caracat 66 is more than just a vehicle. It's an all-in-one travel companion that redefines freedom and exploration. Caravan March Element Palazzo. The Caravan March Element Palazzo is one of the most luxurious and futuristic camper vans ever built, combining design elements from motorsports, aviation, and sailing into one incredible vehicle. Its exterior immediately stands out with a carbon fiber cab, massive 36-inch rim covers, and a wide panoramic windshield that gives it a sleek, high-tech look. Inside, it feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The spacious living area includes a 4-meter-long couch, a stylish bar, a wine cabinet, an ice maker, and a huge television for entertainment. The master bedroom is fitted with a king-sized bed for maximum comfort, while the bathroom takes things to the next level with a stunning 16-foot-long walk-in rainfall shower. One of the most unique highlights is the Sky Lounge, a rooftop terrace that can be accessed by an automatic elevator and comes with built-in lounge furniture, making it the perfect place to relax with a view. Cyberlander. The Cyberlander is an incredible invention that transforms the Tesla Cybertruck into a smart home on wheels. When not in use, it stays hidden under the truck's tonneau cover, keeping the Cybertruck's sleek look and aerodynamics intact. But once opened, it reveals a complete mini apartment designed for comfort and adventure. Inside, you'll find a cozy living room, a relaxing bedroom, a modern kitchen, a spa-style bathroom, and even an office space for work on the go. The kitchen comes with an invisible induction cooktop and touchless faucet, while the bathroom has a heated floor and shower to make traveling feel like home. Entertainment and connectivity are also covered with a smart TV and Starlink satellite internet, so you can stream, work, or stay connected anywhere. Solar panels provide off-grid power, making it perfect for camping, road trips, or remote living without relying on the grid. Whether you want to relax at the beach, explore the outdoors, or take your work on the road, the Cyberlander makes it all possible. The Etong is a next-generation mobile home that takes travel comfort and style to a whole new level. With its sleek, futuristic design and aerodynamic build, it's more than just a vehicle. It's a statement on wheels. Step inside, and you'll find a beautifully crafted interior that feels modern, cozy, and smartly designed to make the most of every inch of space. The lounge is perfect for relaxing after a long day, while the kitchen comes with advanced appliances and plenty of workspace to prepare meals with ease. A dedicated dining area makes it easy to gather with family or friends, creating that home away from home feel. The sleeping space is both comfortable and private, ensuring restful nights wherever your journey takes you, while the bathroom is equipped with high-end fixtures, often with a spa-inspired touch for added luxury. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light and give stunning views of the outdoors, making every trip feel like an adventure. The Etong also uses clever technology and expandable layouts to maximize comfort without sacrificing mobility. Whether for short escapes or long road trips, it blends innovation, elegance, and practicality in one unique travel experience. The Genius House Booty is a modern floating home that combines the comfort of a house with the freedom of life on the water. Designed for both relaxation and adventure, it offers a unique way to enjoy lakes and rivers while living in style. From the outside, its sleek design stands out, while inside, it feels just like a real home with all the conveniences you need. The spacious layout includes a cozy living area with large windows that bring in natural light and give you stunning panoramic water views. A fully equipped kitchen makes cooking easy, while the bedrooms provide a warm and comfortable retreat after a long day. The bathroom comes with modern fittings, so you never feel like you're away from home. Many models even feature outdoor decks or rooftop terraces, perfect for sunbathing, dining, or simply enjoying peaceful evenings on the water. Eco-friendly systems like solar panels and smart energy management make it a sustainable choice too. Whether you want a vacation getaway, a stylish alternative to a motorhome, or even a permanent residence, the Genius House Buddha delivers comfort, innovation, and a truly unique lifestyle right on the water. JI Home Truck. The JI Home Truck by Farazan Auto is an exciting new electric semi designed to give drivers both power on the road and comfort like home. Expected to launch in 2024, this truck is more than just a commercial vehicle. It's a full mobile living space. Inside, it comes with all the essentials a driver might need during long journeys, such as a cozy single bed, a shower, a fridge, a tea maker, a compact kitchen, and even a small washing machine. This makes life on the road much easier, offering drivers a chance to rest, cook, clean, and relax without leaving their truck. The home truck will be available in different engine options, including methanol, hybrid, and range extender versions, making it both versatile and eco-friendly. Safety is a top priority, with advanced features to protect drivers, passengers, and pedestrians. The Q Mobile Home is the perfect choice for travelers who want to explore the world without leaving behind the comfort of home. Designed with a modern and stylish touch, it offers a smart layout that makes every corner useful and inviting. Inside, you'll find a cozy lounge area to relax, a practical kitchen for easy cooking, and comfortable sleeping spaces that ensure you always feel at home on the road. The bathroom may be compact, but it's fully equipped with everything you need, giving you convenience wherever you go. One of its best features is the large windows, which not only brighten the interior with natural light, but also provide stunning views of the outdoors, making every journey more enjoyable. Clever storage solutions keep your essentials organized and maximize the use of space so you can travel without clutter. Built to be durable and reliable, the Q Mobile Home is also easy to drive, making long trips stress-free and fun. Whether you're heading out for a short weekend adventure, a road trip with family, or a longer journey, the Q Mobile Home turns travel into a comfortable lifestyle, letting you take your home with you anywhere. The Land Pod is a smart and eco-friendly way to enjoy camping with comfort and ease. Unlike traditional tents that can feel cramped and tricky to set up, the Land Pod is sturdy, weather-resistant, and designed to give you a cozy space wherever you go. Its clever design makes it quick to set up in the forest, by the beach, or even at a festival, and it's spacious enough for couples, small families, or groups of friends. Inside, it offers far more comfort than sleeping on the ground, with options for mattresses or sleeping platforms that make nights outdoors relaxing and enjoyable. Some models even come with roll-up sides, allowing you to sleep under the stars while still being protected from bugs and unpredictable weather. Built using sustainable and durable materials, the Land Pod is made to last and designed with the environment in mind, making it a greener choice for modern camping. Lightweight and easy to transport, it's perfect for campers, glampers, or even eco-retreats looking for a unique experience. Whether for a weekend getaway, a festival adventure, or a longer outdoor stay, the Land Pod combines the spirit of camping with modern comfort and style. The Marathon Coach 1379 is a masterpiece of luxury travel, designed to make life on the road feel like living in a five-star hotel. Every detail has been carefully crafted to combine comfort, elegance, and modern technology. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious interior with stylish decor, soft lighting, and high-quality furnishings that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is fitted with state-of-the-art appliances, giving you everything you need to prepare delicious meals while traveling. The bedroom offers the perfect retreat, featuring a comfortable bed and clever storage options, while the bathroom is equipped with premium fittings to bring a spa-like experience to your journey. What makes the Marathon Coach 1379 truly stand out is its smart technology, from advanced entertainment systems to easy-to-use controls that make traveling effortless. Safety and convenience are also a priority, ensuring every trip is smooth and enjoyable. Mars 15 Premium. The Mars 15 Premium is a tough yet comfortable off-road caravan built for people who love adventure but don't want to lose the comforts of home. Designed with a strong and durable frame, heavy-duty suspension, and off-road tires, it's ready to take on rough trails, remote landscapes, and rugged terrains with ease. Despite its tough exterior, the inside feels warm and welcoming. It includes a cozy sleeping space, a modern kitchen with all the essentials, and a practical bathroom to make life on the road simple and convenient. Smart storage solutions help keep everything organized, while large windows allow plenty of natural light, creating a spacious and relaxing feel. For travelers who want independence, the Mars 15 Premium also supports off-grid living with efficient power systems and optional solar panels, so you can explore without limits. Movable Roots JoJo Bean Series. The Movable Roots JoJo Bean Series is a stylish and functional collection of tiny homes designed for people who want to enjoy simple living without sacrificing comfort. Built by Movable Roots, a company known for creating custom tiny houses, these homes are compact, mobile, and thoughtfully planned to make the most of every inch of space. Inside, you'll find a cozy living area, a modern kitchen with all the essentials, a comfortable sleeping loft or private bedroom, and a well-designed bathroom. Every detail is created with practicality in mind, from clever storage solutions to bright interiors filled with natural light, making the space feel warm and inviting. The JoJo Bean series is built on wheels, so it's easy to move wherever life takes you, whether that's a new city, a quiet retreat in nature, or a cozy backyard spot. These homes are perfect for individuals, couples, or small families looking to downsize, travel, or enjoy more freedom without being tied to one place. Whether used as a permanent home, a vacation getaway, or even a guest house, the JoJo Bean series offers flexibility, quality craftsmanship, and a lifestyle that proves tiny living can be both comfortable and inspiring. The Newell Coach is a true masterpiece of luxury travel, built for people who want the freedom of the open road without giving up comfort or style. Every Newell Coach is custom made, so no two are exactly the same. Owners can choose layouts, materials, and features that perfectly match their lifestyle, making each motorhome a one-of-a-kind creation. From the outside, it has a sleek, elegant design that immediately stands out. Step inside, and it feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. The spacious living area is furnished with high-quality materials and stylish decor, while the kitchen is fully equipped like a gourmet chef's dream, complete with modern appliances and ample space for cooking. The master bedroom often includes a king-sized bed, luxurious finishes, and plenty of storage, while the bathroom feels like a spa with its walk-in shower and high-end fittings. Technology is everywhere, with smart home controls, large TVs, and advanced climate systems to make life easy and enjoyable. On the road, the powerful engine and advanced driving systems provide a smooth, reliable experience. The Newell Coach is more than just a motorhome. It's a rolling mansion that blends comfort, innovation, and adventure in one. Seal Van Amphibious. The Seal Van Amphibious is a truly unique vehicle that combines the comfort of a caravan with the excitement of a boat, offering the freedom to travel both on land and water. Designed by Seal Van, a company known for pushing the limits of marine and automotive design, this camper makes every journey an adventure. The larger 7.50 Menor model is packed with everything you need for a comfortable vacation, including a spacious bathroom, a cozy living room, a shared dining space, and two bedrooms for restful sleep. Its modern kitchen comes fully equipped with a fridge or freezer, a built-in hob or oven, and plenty of counter space so you can cook meals just like at home. Whether you're driving through scenic roads or gliding over lakes and rivers, the Seal Van Amphibious lets you enjoy both worlds without compromise. The smaller 4.2 MN version starts at €28,000, while the bigger 7.5 Men model costs more but includes all the extra features and added space.